Remember when we used to draw just because it made us happy? No pressure, no rules, just joy in every line. Now imagine if we brought that joy back, but this time with a deeper purpose to calm our minds, reduce stress, and reconnect with ourselves. Welcome, friends. In this moment, let's give ourselves permission to pause, to breathe, to simply be present with color and sound. Coloring is not just for kids. It's a scientifically supported way to reduce stress, calm the mind, and invite clarity. We don't need to be artists to experience its healing power. As our hand moves with rhythm, our brain follows. When we activate our prefrontal cortex, our focus center, we calm our stress alarm, the amygdala. In a 2005 study by Curry and Kasser, adults who colored mandalas showed a significant drop in anxiety levels, much more than those who drew freely. Why? Because mandalas offer structure and freedom at once. Our brains love that balance. They create a meditative flow, anchoring us in the present moment. Now, pair this with the sound of jazz. Jazz, like coloring, moves with intention and freedom. Its smooth improvisation activates our emotional brain, stimulates dopamine, and invites the default mode network, our creative, introspective system, to light up. In studies from McGill University and the University of Sheffield, jazz was shown to reduce cortisol, boost focus, and activate emotional memory. So what happens when we color and listen to jazz? Our attention sharpens. Our brain shifts into alpha and theta waves relaxed, creative states. Our emotions settle into flow. Our mind makes room for color, connection, and calm. Coloring mandalas isn't the only way. Geometric patterns, botanical forms, symmetrical animals, or even doodle-style Zentangle pages all offer the same quiet rhythm our nervous system craves. Now, let's reflect together gently as you continue coloring. Take a slow, deep breath. Let your shoulders relax. What am I ready to release today? What color reflects how I feel right now? What energy do I want to invite into my life today? You don't need to answer perfectly. Just let the color speak for you. Coloring can become a daily ritual. Before studying, before journaling, before facing the world. Many therapists and coaches, including myself, use this method to ground ourselves and our clients. It's not about perfection. It's about presence. Even this video is part of my journey. With the help of AI, I've found more time to do what truly matters, continuing my singing hobby, learning the pottery I always postponed, and guiding others through gentle coaching. And yes, starting this YouTube channel. Technology, when used wisely, can free up our time so we can reconnect with what we love most. If this video found you today, maybe it's your reminder too, to return to what matters, to not give up, and to believe healing, success, and creativity begin inside. To start your mindful coloring journey, visit colorbook.ai. Choose text to coloring pages, type your desired drawing, select difficulty, dimension, and number of images and click Generate. Your coloring pages will appear in a minute. For a complete tutorial, watch the video or check the description. You can also download ready-made ones to begin coloring immediately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this moment with someone who might need it too. Until next time, breathe, color, and flow.